Hello guys, this is me Pro Gaming YouTube and today we will be playing Minecraft, but it's something else. It's from another app called Aptotide instead of using the money. But we are going to create our new world. So let's go play my world. So first we have to cut trees and make wood and just make houses for people. So let's go now. Oh no, it's been dark. Oh no, and there are reapers down there. Do not worry, I have my ar- armor. I have my equipment. So no, it's an ad. Okay, let it go. Snowball, okay. So now we have to place. Can you see guys, there's a reaper right there. Okay, how can I hit it? I don't have anything. For pants we will put this as pants. Okay, our golden pant, diamond leggings. Okay, I just put it now. Put it, yeah. Then these for dress. Okay, yes. I'm almost done now. Now for the face. Not for this. Okay, I will take a crossbow. No. Diamond chest plate. For this. Okay, yes. We will put golden boots. Yes. And for these, we will put a golden helmet. And what's this? Golden. What's. Shovel? No way. I don't need newbie shovel. What can we use to fight these newbies? Okay, we are done now. We just need these things. Stone. Now where do I go? There are all reapers down there. You know what? I am a warrior, so I will be like going down and fighting those reapers. Oh yeah, look, there it is. I am coming to you. Wait. Where are you, newbie reaper? I am coming. Hiya. Yes, I'm killing it. Hiya. What? Wee. Bye bye, reaper. See you tomorrow. Wee. What the heck, Apollo? Can you give me the medicine later, newbie Apollo? I don't need your newbie service. Okay, yes. Resume trade. Now why can't I walk? I have to fly in the air only. Wait, jump. What? I want to find more reapers. Where are they? Oh yeah, I found one. Hey zombie. Hi zombie. Bye zombie. Come here, newbie zombie. Get yeeted in the face. Bye zombie. Why doesn't this newbie die? Come on, die. Die, newbie. Die. Why don't you die? Do you have infinite health? I want this thing. Why don't I have it? What? I don't need any of these. I don't need it. How do I Okay, I don't have any chests. Okay. Dax saplings. I want to find more of them. Where are you all, newbies? I am waiting. Oh yeah, I found someone. Oh my, I want to fight this guy. I want to fight this guy. This guy has a proper this thing. He has a bow. Bye bye, skeleton. Why don't you hurt me? Nobody's hurting me. Come on, die. Skelly, you're already a dead guy. Yes, he's dead. Can we collect his stuff? Get out of here, Apollo. Don't need your newbie service. Okay, I have these and I have these. Okay. I will put one here. I need this. Okay. Okay, give me this. Oh yeah, now I get it. I can get these swords. Oh yes. Let's go. Now I got it. Now for these just guys, don't worry, something just fell down. Don't worry, somebody will pick it up. Yeah, it's done now. Sorry for that. So now even we need these. No, give me this back. Yeah, I'll put this here. Useless, useless. You're useless. You're useless. Get out of here. Yeah. So now we need a bone. We need this and we need an arrow. And even we need golden hoe. Then we need for the axe, we need a golden axe. And we need a diamond axe. Replace it by. So now, and even we need a crossbow. So now we are ready to fight these newbies. Yeah, I am going. Oh yeah, see somebody. See a glowing light. Oh yeah, something else. Something else. Hey newbie insect. How are you? I'm good. Is this a ghost? Hi. Yes. Yeet, it got two-shotted. Oh yeah, I see somebody. I see somebody. Yeet. Get out. You don't deserve to be here from the... Bye-bye. Okay. Now we have to go somewhere else. We have to go build our own house. So now... What's this spider eye? I can hit with the spider eye. Okay, thank you. Now how do we jump? Okay, I will see how we jump. Woo, we fly in the... Seriously, newbie Apollo. Why don't you newbie it later? Okay, yeah. Got it, you send medicine. Now get out of here. Get out, please. You're wasting my time. Okay, yeah. It's loading. Resume game. Yes, now we are good to build a house. We just need to sleep. Oh, hi cow. What's up? I got a diamond sword. I will smack you with it. Okay, I got food. Oh yeah, there are more cows. Hello cows. Having fun? Should I smack you 2 times? Okay, yeah. It get 2 shotted, which is good. I love to eat cows for my dinner. Yeah, that cow's running away. Bye bye. Can we sit on? Oh hey sheep, how are you today? Hello. Oh yeah, it got 1 shotted. Let's go. Now what's in this cave? Please, if there are reapers in there, I will be angry. I will be so angry. Oh my, there are reapers. I saw one right here. Fight. Bye. Bye. I hate this place. Hello, I am back. I am back. Oh yeah, there's a pig. Hey, there's a horse. Can we ride this horse? Please tell me we can ride this horse. Where's horse? Can we have a horse? What's this? Oh yeah. Gold horse armor. Okay, yeah, that might be good. Oh yeah, even we need this. We'll replace it with this. Yes, we have enough to pet a horse. Come here, my cute. Okay, put it on. Horse armor. Hey, don't run away. Don't run away. I've got this lead. Put him down. What can I do with that horse lead? It's Snoopy. Yeah, resume game. What do we do with this horse? Horse, okay, right here. What do I do with this? Do I put him like this? Hey, don't do too much. Yeah, just put him on. Mount him. Mount him, Nooby. Put it on. Yeet in the face. Don't do too much. I'm telling you. Okay. Now it's been enough. I've dealt enough. Bye bye, horsey. I don't wanna kill this. I don't wanna put him somewhere. Can I put him? Wait, it told something. Leash. It told leash. Leash, yeah. Now come with me. Can you fly? Oh, he's actually coming with me. Yeah. Come with me on the floor. Come here now. Come on this. Come here. His horse is Nooby. Come here, Nooby horse. Ooh. Is the horse with me? Oh no, he's down there. I'm coming for you, horse. Okay, yes. Now where should I put him? Here. And this. Can we sit on him? Hey, horsey. Should I punch you? Okay, yeah. We'll put him on this. And we'll put him inside this. Oh my, there's something under there. Let's go inside. Come on, Nooby horsey. Come on, go in. We go in now. Hey, there's one more horse. Oh my, he's like, whoa, who is this guy? Okay, even we'll leash this guy. Oh, so now I have 2 horses with me. Let's go, we are on a horse hunt. Now if that Apollo comes, I'm going to smack him. Even I'm gonna smack this. Get out. I don't wanna play. Okay, fine, I'll play. Thank you. Yeah, I don't want now. Arata, I've already bought 1 million things with you, okay? I don't want. This is Nooby. This is actually Nooby. What the? Come on, this thing's wasting my time. Okay, yeah. What I was saying, we got to build something. Place the torch here. Take the lead. Okay, they both are here on this, and we just put it on. When we will leash this guy. Don't do too much now. Yes, dead. That's why I told you never mess with them. Yeah, I wanna ride on this newbie guy. I wanna ride on you, newbie. Why couldn't let me sit? Should I make you die? Yeah, bye bye. I don't care. I don't care. You gave me food at least. You're a good boy. Woo. Do we fly in the sky? Wee. Oh my, this guy's actually flying with me. This guy's actually a good guy. Now come here with me, my sunshine. Okay, now where do we go? Where do we go? What do we now? We just leash him. Woo, bye bye. Okay, I'm coming for you, horsey. I'm coming. 1 minute. Eat. Hello. Somebody is attacking you from the top. Bye bye, horsey. I will love you. Okay, now let's start building our home. I don't know what does this do, but let's start building now. We need blocks now. Enough of these time. It's passing our time. So now we go in here. Blocks, where's blocks? Blocks, yeah. Block of redstone, yeah. Just put it. I need one more pack of it. An enchanted book. Let's go. Enchanted book. I need one. Bro, this thing maybe now. Guys, so that is it for today. Don't worry guys, if you think I'm just wasting time collecting ores, seeing ads telling them noobs, don't worry guys. Promise we will make our own house in Minecraft in the next video. Goodbye.